I would like to share an interesting, inspiring, and beautiful philosophy behind this broken bowl. Friends, when something appears to be broken, what do? Most of the times, we throw it away and replace it with a new one. But how it would be if we try to mend it together to form something different and beautiful? This is the underlying philosophy behind the Japanese pottery art of Kintsugi. Instead of throwing away the broken pieces of a shattered pot or vase, the pieces are mended back together with gold lacquer. The idea behind it is not to hide the ugliness and brokenness, but instead to use gold to make it more beautiful and expose the damage. And at the end of the process, the piece is even more beautiful having been broken. They believe that when something is suffered damage and has history, it becomes more beautiful. What a profound metaphor for life. It teaches us how to work with failures and how to fix our relationships with love and compassion. I started to think how it might be live a kintsugi life, finding value in the missing pieces, cracks, and slowly bringing light on the scars that have come from life experiences, finding purpose from painful experiences, loss, and embracing the imperfections of mine and others with the golden gifts, love, and compassion. How beautiful it would be if we follow this philosophy in our relationships by loving each other even with flaws. How beautiful our earth if we mending and recycling the things without replacing with a new one. By doing this, we can conserve our natural resources and reduce the burden on the earth. After knowing this philosophy, my perception towards failures, towards people's flaws has been changed. This gave me motivation to upload this video without waiting for perfect picture and content. Yes, I found mistakes when I had compared my drawing with the reference picture, but this time I accepted them happily. They are the valuable lessons for my further art progress. In the beginning, I felt stress when I didn't get the picture as I expected. Mistakes make me feel stuck sometimes for spending a lot of time without achieving any progress. But I started to see them as the lessons. Then I started enjoying the journey rather than focusing on end results, which helped me to create more artworks. It even brought changes in my perspective towards from the little annoyances like waiting for a bus, traffic jam, mess created by the children, to stress I came through when I abandoned my job for the sake of my passion towards art. Every one of us had different experiences of failures and problems to deal with, but what matters is how we put back together ourselves, just like the ball in this video. On the other side of the adversity, we will be stronger, more enthusiastic, and beautiful of the journey. Friends, do you know this art and the valuable philosophy behind this art? Or is it the first time you heard about it? What are the thoughts came into your mind after knowing about this art and the philosophy behind it? Do you know the story behind the origin of this art? Finally, how is this video? Let me know in the comment section below. I am glad to hear from you. I'll come up with another beautiful Japanese word, wabi sabi, in the next video. Until then, enjoy the process. Happy drawing. Bye. Hi friends, welcome to Paint and Talk. Today I am going to draw this beautiful broken bowl repaired with gold. And also